Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Touch ID on Mac. So, Touch ID lets you use your fingerprint instead of typing your password every time. Once it's set up, you can use it to unlock your Mac, approve App Store purchase, make Apple Pay payments, autofill saved password, and even switch between user accounts. It's quicker, more convenient, and you don't have to type your password as often. So before you can use any of these features, you will first need to add your fingerprint. And to set up it, first click on the Apple logo at the top and then choose system settings. And here in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to touch ID and password. Now here click on add fingerprint. Now here a pop-up will appear where you need to verify yourself by entering the Mac password, or if you have previously added your fingerprint, then you can also verify yourself by touch ID. So verify yourself and here place your finger on the touch ID sensor and lift it and place it back on the sensor several times and following the instructions on your screen until the scan is complete, as you can see here. After your fingerprint has been added, you can see touch ID is ready message. So click on done here and that's it. You'll see few options like unlocking your Mac, Apple Pay, App Store purchases, password autofill, and fast user switching. Simply turn on the feature you would like to use so often, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.